I'm Dane Johnson at RediTech. The clients that we serve are mostly around the Omaha, Nebraska area, and the industries we support are very broad too, anything from a car dealership to a dentist office. And it could be 10 users, could be 100 users, could be 1,000 users. Our first RMM tool I implemented myself, but I didn't sleep for like 3 days because I was so excited about all the little things you could do with the RMM tool. And then I slowly was needed in other areas of the company, so it faded away. It sat on a shelf and it just did. We weren't innovative about new things coming up there, and we kind of lost our way with our RMM tool.
I think, you know, in the initial setup of it and everything, there was a ton of stuff that we could be using the system for. That we were just so busy that it was up and running, and so we're like, all right, just keep going, keep going. I think that when we realized that we needed to get things set up differently, to get the correct foundation or baseline to even start to automate stuff, I knew that it was going to be a huge undertaking. And we were in the middle of, you know, absolute craziness as far as growth goes, and I was a little bit like, oh my, I don't know that this is ever going to get figured out.
We weren't proactive anymore. Patches were getting missed. We were manually doing a lot of work. It was not going the way I thought it was going. We got some assistance from another outside party that I thought would help. They came in and they basically put a lot of templates into our RMM tool to help accelerate where we're at today. But they also they dropped a whole bunch of templates that work good for somebody else. They might not have worked good for us.
When we reach out to N-able to ask about if there would be assistance or available with enhanced services, I felt like it was kind of a hope and a prayer, like, you know, maybe they'll be able to help us. So I was really pleasantly surprised by everybody's ability to mobilize. It didn't feel like your team and our team. It felt like we were on the same team.
The future of RediTech is surrounding myself with people that like what they're doing and achieving awesome goals for our customers and just killing it for them.
So we're in a position now to really be able to move forward with confidence, that we've got things set up in a way that our clients are going to feel like they're truly taken care of in the way that we want them to feel, because we know that we're in a much better and much more foundationally structured version of the software, and now we can kind of like move up. And I really think that if we can do our part, the sky's the limit for what we can do here.